Buongiorno paesani, allora, la parola hoy vieni accattare. Today's Sicilian word is accattare. It means to buy. In Italian we say comprare. Why did I choose this word? Well, right now the Italians of Montreal and friends are doing a campaign to sell these bracelets. Allora, accattatevo bracciali. These bracelets are stainless steel with rubber. They're very durable. They're unisex. I've been everywhere with them. It doesn't tarnish. It doesn't change color. It doesn't change your skin color. It doesn't make you green. They're very nice. They're $8. They're not that expensive, but they make a big difference because we will be donating partial proceeds of these sales to Galileo Adult Center for students with special needs, as well as the Lighthouse, which caters to children in palliative care. So $8 is a small price to pay to do a world of difference. So if you're interested, please contact Jack Palladino. I will tag him on Instagram and Facebook. Contact Jack and he will ship it out to you anywhere you are so that you can help support our causes. Grazie mille, come sempre, ci vediamo presto. Salutiamo.